Hey guys, welcome back for a brand new video. In this one we're going to be going over how to draw this girl in Moonlight drawing. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To kick off with this drawing, so we're going to draw a circle with our compasses depending on the size of the drawing that you want. Now we're going to outline the shade or the silhouette of the girl, and if you need help for that, I'll link some reference images in the description. Next, we're going to randomly draw some rocks at the bottom of the circle just to get an idea of how it's going to look. By adjusting your compasses, you're going to create a smaller circle which will represent the moon. Now let's get to the shading part, shall we? Take your HB pencil and create a base layer on the moon. And using your brush or a piece of tissue paper, you're going to blend everything smoothly. Once that's done, it was time to add some details on the moon. In order to do that, we're going to take our HB pencil again and we're going to draw some very light grey spots on the moon itself. Next up, we're going to use a B pencil. You may well want to use a 2B or a 3B pencil as well. We're going to shade the outside of the moon, and we're going to use our brush or a piece of tissue paper to blend everything smoothly. And as you can see, I'm not shading all the way to the edge of the moon. It's all because I feel like that is the best way to give the moon that glowing effect. And by the way, one thing I forgot to add, guys, is that you want to be shading only halfway of the big circle and not all the way around. for the other half of the circle, we're going to use our HB pencil to shade. Now comes the crucial part of this drawing. Now I highly recommend using a brush for this one, but you can also use a piece of tissue paper. You're going to gently blend the graphite towards the white gap which is created. Now using your B pencil, we're going to outline and start giving some shapes to the rocks. We're going to repeat the exact same thing for the girl, and also we're going to add some hair strokes on the head of the girl. To start the shading of the girl, I'm using a B and an 8B pencil. One thing to notice here, guys, is that I'm not shading the girl all the way black. I'm just leaving some spots, and you can pause the video and take a look how I'm actually doing it. Now you can see me going with the B pencil and blending it with a brush. You may also consider using a blending stump for the smaller parts. You can also use a 2B pencil to add some finer details on the girl. The hard part of this drawing is done. Now let's focus on the rocks. We're going to do that in 3 easy steps. So the very first one is we're going to take the B pencil. We're going to firstly draw the edges of the rock, and the second one we're going to shade inside the rock with the exact same pencil, And the third one is we're just going to blend it. Now we're going to create some stars. You can either use a correction pen to do it, or you can simply use a pointy eraser just like I'm doing right here. For some final touches, you can draw some darker lines on the moon to make it more realistic, and you can also erase some parts with a sharp-edged eraser. At this point you're done. You don't have to do this, but I felt like something was missing in the drawing, so I decided to add some trees and blended it to make it blurry. There you go, you're done. If you like this video guys, please consider subscribing to the channel. It really motivates me to make more and more videos like this. And also all my socials are listed in the description below, so you can go ahead and check it out. Bye for now, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Take care.